In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the air connection timed out issue in Google Chrome. Let's jump right in and tackle these steps one by one to swiftly resolve this problem so you can get back online hassle-free. We often store a lot of browsing data on our browsers, from cookies to cached images. Over time, this data can become corrupted, leading to pesky errors like the one we're addressing today. The first step towards fixing this issue is clearing Chrome's browsing data. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to the top right corner, where you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, navigate to Settings. Once there, look to the left for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Click on it, and then find Clear Browsing Data. A window will pop up, giving you options to specify what and how much to clear. Make sure the time range is set to All Time to ensure no sneaky remnants remain. Next, check the boxes for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Once you've made those selections, hit the Clear Data button. This might take a moment, so be patient. Once it's done, simply restart Chrome and try loading the site again to see if the issue persists. If you still encounter problems, the next potential fix involves disabling any unnecessary proxy settings. These settings can sometimes interfere with your connection, especially if they're not configured correctly. To do this, go back to the Settings menu, and under System, you'll find an option called Open Proxy Settings. From there, ensure that any proxy settings you don't use are turned off. And if by chance you're still facing difficulties, it might be time to consider resetting Chrome to its default settings. This step should only be used as a last resort, as it will disable extensions, clear temporary data, and reset all settings to their default values, essentially giving you a fresh slate without losing your stored data like bookmarks or passwords. To reset, open Chrome, click the same three-dot menu, and return to Settings. On the left side, you'll find Reset Settings. Click on it, and then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation box will appear. Proceed by clicking Confirm. After completing this step, restart Chrome once more to ensure all changes take effect. Hopefully, this resolves the connection timeout issue for you. If these steps have been helpful, consider sharing the video with others who might be struggling with similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.